Hello, in this video session I'm going to show you how to define trims in the style card. To do this, first click on the BOM tab, then choose trims. Then if you already defined the customer trim definitions, you can right click and choose transfer customer trims from the list. If you didn't make any trim definitions or you still need to add some items, you can just click here, press F9 or list button, and then you can choose the trim that you need from the trims list. Or you can just write the name of the item and choose it from the list. After that, if the quantities are not correct or empty, you can fill the quantities of each items. If any of the trims followed by the size, so you can choose size option in the variant part. If any of the trims followed by the colorways of the item, you can choose the correct colorway from the list. If you need to select a fixed color for the trim, so in the variant area you can press F9 and choose the color that you need from the list. If you have specific items which you need to use in specific sizes, you can use select size option. So first click on the select size option, then choose the sizes that you are going to use for the specific item, then click save. So in this example, 10 cm zipper will be used in XS, S and M sizes, and 15 cm zipper will be used L, XL and XXL sizes. If you need to calculate some of the items without cutting extra, you have to check order quantity checkbox, so the requirement calculations will be through the order quantity. After completing all definitions, you can press F5 or save button to complete style trim definitions.